Hello guys, good morning. Today is day 15. We're halfway into the challenge already. I'm doing home office today. Angel is just about to return, and I was just checking out our YC application. For people that don't know, YC is Y Combinator, stands for Y Combinator. I believe is if not the best, one of the best accelerators in the world. It is one of the most prestigious. It's actually harder to get into that accelerator than Harvard or Stanford. And we have a certain time to apply, but we've been having questions, more doubts, not questions. We've been having doubts about if it's better for us to wait a little bit of more time in order to get more progress on our project, or just to apply as quickly as possible, right? So we've been intermittently myself getting in and out, trying to complete the application. And today that I actually got into the site to complete it, I just realized there's so much stuff that we've improved over the last time I got into the application. There's a couple more programs that we were accepted in. Our MVP is almost done, which in our application we were saying we were just starting development. So it's very gratifying to see how quickly we are progressing right now, that we are giving a lot more focus onto this project. And I think I'm gonna wait until one of the very last days, maybe 1 week before that we apply. But by that time we probably should have our MVP ready. We might have a couple sales already, that could help us a lot into having a stronger profile in order to get accepted in more probably. So I'm gonna get back to work, and I'll see you guys later. Hello guys, how's it going? Just wrapping up day 15. It's about 8:30 p.m. and the problem is bigger than I thought. Talking about the problem of the testing of the application, I thought it was just a matter of my devices or something like that, but I did something else I wanted to show you. So this is actually the screen that's supposed to appear when you first open the app for the first time. And when I try to set up a test session, a debugging session, this is what happens. I'm sorry about the quality. I'm recording with my tablet because I want to show you a little bit of my device. But yeah, this is what happens. I cannot, the text is missing, as you can see, all the text, even in the buttons, nothing is showing. So there's nothing I can do. I can try to log in. And it actually logs me in, but I cannot see what's going on, what's happening. And I thought that maybe when we finally downloaded and installed it on a physical device, this would work properly. But I just did on my phone, and I see the same thing. So there's supposed to be text here that I cannot click. There's supposed to be text here that I cannot click. And yeah, I don't know what's going on, and I don't know why Angel can test it properly. When he opens up his test session, he can actually test the app. So I don't know what the problem is. I just went into the authentication section of Flutterflow. This is the entry page, logged in page. This is set up properly. At the beginning, I thought it had something to do with the dark mode of the application, but I disabled it, so I don't know what's going on. Maybe if someone is watching this video, can tell me how to solve this, because it's going to be a problem later on. I mean, right now we can continue working. Our development environment works fine, and we can just keep on going on, but we cannot test and we cannot do proper deployments either. And well, I think up with that today. Let's see tomorrow what else I can get done. It was a nice week. I think we did some good progress. And Angel is about to return, so we're gonna speed things up a little bit. It was a pleasure talking to you guys. See you later.
Hey there, so yesterday I didn't record, but we had a meeting, the sprint meeting with the team, and then I had to travel to Marseille, back to Marseille. We are here now. And well, I had a really bad Wi-Fi over there. I couldn't work, and yesterday with the trip, I couldn't work. I was in Sonora. I went to Sonora to a cabin in the mountains, and it was good. But I had to work, and I was on my computer almost all day, and I couldn't enjoy my family as much as I wanted to do. And I am not enjoying it right now. They're playing outside, and I am here. So I'm guessing tomorrow I'm gonna take the day, because at night tomorrow I'll be on my way to Guadalajara, back to Mexico. So yeah, but we had the sprint meeting yesterday, and because I have not been very focused on the startup because I'm over here, so I decided yesterday that I would take more job the next week, so I could compensate. And I'm gonna show you how we do the sprint. Every week we do sprints, and we decide the task we're gonna take and how much we're going to accomplish. And we do this by assigning story points to the task. These story points are like points of difficulty, the level of difficulty the task have, and so we aim to make 20 points a week. Points are assigned. They have no. There's a point of reference. You use another task. You assign points to that task, and with that task, we assign points compared to that first task. That's how story points work. So I'm gonna show you here a backlog, and these are the tasks that need to be completed, that need to be done. Maybe Gerardo already explained this to you. And here on the sprint, we have the task we're going to do next week. These are the tasks of the whole project, and we have this assigned here to someone. So as you can see, we have, for example, 34 points in this task, and it means that it should be done by 2 people, or one person can do it in 2 weeks, more or less. We assign points to this, and then we pass them over here, and we try to accomplish 20 points. So this week I aim to 30 points. We have this one, and more down there. Sorry. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. More down there. Here we have more for me, more tasks for me, Angel Quintero. Front and back of objectives in a Firebase, for example. Here we have general progress front end, and we also noticed some doubts that came up last week, and that's how we do it. I assigned to myself almost 30 points because I aim to do more to compensate last week. I accomplished everything I had to do, but there were a lot of bugs that I need to fix. So it wasn't really well done, and I need to fix them next week. And plus, I'm going to do more tasks. So this is my work from now on. Next week is holiday, spring break. Everyone has vacations. My family has vacations, but I need to go back to Mexico because I can't stop working and I'm not focusing over here. See ya.